Very good morning to all my YouTube family. Tomorrow morning I'm leaving for Goa. By the time you guys see this vlog, I will be on the way. In fact, I will be already in Goa by the time you see this vlog. Well, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope today you'll enjoy the vlog because it's all about packing, and I got some insane new goodies which is worth taking on the trip. And that's my Levi's riding pants with Sastec level 2 armor, which I will be guarding on. And yes, I have replaced the armors to level 2. If you've not seen my Instagram stories, you would know now. This has my laptop and my organizer pouch, which is my own merch, and I'm using it and abusing it, and it's worth it. So that's the only two things inside this backpack. For the news at Goa in evenings is a bit chilly, so I'm carrying my zipper, nothing much. This has my drone setup, t-shirts, my underwears, my socks, everything fits in this one bag. I still have so much space. This has all my lower ones, okay? So for example, my denims, my cargo pants, my shorts, everything is in this pack. This is how light I carry. All you need is 7 t-shirts. I think 7 is also a lot. If you're fine with 5, it's cool, but I prefer taking around 7. That's a 1 week batch. So if you miss out on your laundry for a week, at least for a week you're covered. I always pack for a week, even if it's for 7 days, 15 days, 1 month, or even 6 months. For Delhi also, I had 1 week of supply and I stayed there for 2.5 months. So this is how light I go. So usually I prefer my favorite Hydra pack, okay, very sleek and simple, called H2O by Baggage King. And so because it's around 670 kilometers, it's good to take multiple breaks, and it's gonna be very hot, okay, especially once I cross Pune, it's gonna be piping hot. So hydrating yourself is important. Hydra pack is good, but for me, I would like to stop my bike, get down, stretch a bit, have a couple of sip of waters, because I don't keep drinking water, then I have to go to the washroom again and again. So I keep myself hydrated. So this bottle is enough. This is a liter. I can refill it completely. And so when I'm doing a road riding, I prefer this. But if I'm doing any expedition ride or something in the mountains, like maybe Uttarakhand or something like that, then I would carry my backpack with a bladder. So if you notice, there is a separate segment here where the laptop goes, and then there is another pocket where I can slip in the Hydra pack and keep it on the bike and still have it. And look who's helping me pack. Snowy. Empty. Oh shit, my oats are on fire. Okay, so the problem is not that. The problem is carrying this much of coffee. Yep, that's nearly 2 kilos. Best beans by Drip Machine. Yeah. Okay, so my bowl of heaven is ready. So coming back to my packing, so I didn't have a spare dual tape to hook up my Sena on the carbon fiber. I would be happy if I would be using the carbon fiber, because that is a bit lighter than this helmet, but theek hai, no worries. Next ride which I'm planning towards north, this jute bag has all my lures. The reason this jute bag I carry is it acts as a laundry bag too. So whenever I have finished wearing my clothes, I can wash them or whatever. My pair of sneakers which are right here for Goa, and my slippers, and the slippers which I'm wearing right now will just go in here. Just have a packing kit for your clothes, which is very important. This is coffee. I have quite a lot of Royal Enfield mugs, and they keep chipping off because they are made of China ware. But guess what? I was making something like this on my own, and Royal Enfield has done it already. So this is the Army Cup, which is amazing, and yes, it's going with me to Goa. This is what I'll use daily. I think by now you know what this is by looking at the leatherish case of Royal Enfield. Yes, sunglasses. Damn. Oh boy, finally Royal Enfield launched their sunglasses and they look good. Yeah, so they're decent, and obviously I'll be wearing them in Goa. So perfect timing to receive these. Okay, and very comfortable, fits really nice. Now quickly talking about this helmet. Okay, this helmet is very different than what you see. Okay, because let me even lifting it in one hand, this really weighs like a full face heavy duty helmet. I have never seen a helmet like this in Royal Enfield. So I don't even know if this is on the website. If it's there, it's really cool. So this is what it says, leave home. Wow, even the visor, the way it opens, old school vents. Have you ever seen vents like these? This is so neat. So I think this was specially made for the Meteor series. Get a nice lapel pin of Meteor 350. So Meteor added to my lapel collection. Yeah, and this is a lovely Meteor 350 t-shirt. Obviously try on the banta hi hai. Boom. So this is how it looks, and I think it's really cool. The fit is nice. Perfect for Goa. So testing all the gear, very important before you ride. You don't want anything loose. Have my bungee, and this is my old mobile holder. I use it for Mumbai to Kanyakumari. It's very good. The best part about this is that I don't have to put Allen key to change the positioning. And the one which I have, which people asking a lot, is a great mobile holder. The only thing is, from portrait mode to landscape, you have to use a Allen key. As you can see, I have it here. So I'm gonna remove that because I want a quick turn around. Okay, so the saddles are loaded on my shoulder as well as my backpack, which I'm taking. I almost forgot I have a mini pannier of Trip Machine for daily use. Okay, so saddles are already on my motorcycle. Previously also done Goa with the same saddles. So I'm gonna show quickly. One strap near the frame here, which is holding it here. One strap here, one strap here. Try to keep equal weight if possible. That's what I've done. Lowers are here, uppers here. That's how it's sorted. One strap passes through this. Do not put it below the fender. Eventually when the bag will shake, it'll go below the tire. It doesn't make sense. So make it like this, like a cross thing. And that's how simple it is. Extra fasteners to basically hold the bag together also. And if you notice, enough space. Even if it touches down, I don't have to worry. I do have the heel rest by MK Design. This is the footrest. It won't touch the exhaust at all. So bungee cords on. I have a spare bungee cord, and that's where these will be useful for me. I have passed it through this, the lower one for this. And if you notice, it does have extra securing because even this buckle will hold it. It's gone all the way to my frame. This is gone on my grab bar. So even if it moves, it's just gonna move left and right, but it will not come ahead and behind. You see that? So this is quite secured, and yeah, not bad, right? Decent. I just hope it doesn't rain. The reason I've put it here this way is this is gonna be my backrest also. So that is the whole plan, that I should get this kind of a seat. So this becomes like my backrest. It won't go behind because of these tight bungees. So this setup is decent. Tank bag I have not got down because it's butt obvious. It just goes straight. It's a plug and play. Now it's time to replace my mobile mount. This is indeed good. So my mobile setup is done. You can see this is hardcore. Okay, and yes, I can move it the way I want it. Even to fix it, I have a plastic knob which is right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is movable, but I have made it firm on this position. It does have this extra silicone rubber which I can place it on it, and I can tilt it the way I want. That's the best part about it. Okay, finally found my cargo net. ये जाएगा लैपटॉप बैग पे एक्स्ट्रा सिक्योर करने के लिए, प्लस टू पुट इन एनीथिंग इफ आई वांट टू ऑन द गो. माय फेवरेट ऑल टाइम कैरी. एंड I just realized my chain lube is over. Yes, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा स्प्रे बचा है. So I think I'll pull it off till Goa. On serious note, my merch guy is so crazy. Send this hat to me. This is my design. Says you'll fly too. This is embroidery actually. This is just a sample. And yes, this is how my t-shirts also coming. So stay tuned for that. And yes, we made some snapbacks at a very good pricing. And I hope you guys like it. This is a universal fit, that's why it's a bit loose to me because I wear quite a small size, my head is quite tiny, but not bad, right? This is a snapback collection which we are launching. I hope you guys like it. They are one of the kinds and they're gonna be really reasonable. So I hope you guys like my cap collection which is coming for you guys to purchase. Stay tuned for that.